Today I will share with you a story of love, learning, and Christmas craft that carried a powerful lesson. In a small snowy town, there lived a young girl named Lena. She loved Christmas, but this year her family was struggling. Her father had lost his job, and her mother was doing her best to make ends meet. There was not much money for gifts or decoration, but Lena still wanted to make Christmas special. One evening she saw her mother sigh quietly while looking at their bare Christmas tree. It had no ornaments, just the green branches and a few fairy lights. Lena thought, maybe I can make something beautiful with my own hands. And that's where her little journey began. Lena searched around her small house for things she could use. She found old button bits of jute, a few pine cone, and some cardboard from a cereal box. She sat by the fireplace with glue, scissors, and hope. Her first craft was a tiny angel ornaments made from jute and a white button for a face. Then she made mini wreath for twisted branches and tied them with scraps of red ribbons. For the finishing touch, she added a sprinkle of glitter made from crushed, shiny paper. As she worked, her hands moved gently, but her heart raced with joy. The room filled with warmth, not from the fire, but for the love she poured into every little piece. By midnight, the tree looked magical, not perfect, not expensive, but full of heart. When her parents woke up the next morning, they were speechless. Her father looked at the glowing tree and said softly, "Where did you get all these ornaments?" Lena smiled and whispered, "I made them. I did not buy Christmas. I made it with love." Her mother hugged her tightly. Tears filled her eyes, not because of sadness, but because she saw something beautiful in her daughter's heart. That Christmas, the little handmade decoration reminded them of something important. The value of Christmas is not in what we spend, it's in what we give. And the best gifts are not wrapped in paper, they are wrapped in kindness, effort, and care. So many of us forget this simple truth. We rush to buy decorations, gifts, and glitters, but the real sparkle of Christmas comes from handmade moments of love. Every time you create something, a wreath, a candle, a jute star, or a glass jar light, you are not just making a decoration, you are making a memory, you are teaching your hands to love. That Christmas, Lena's tree shone brighter than any other in town. Neighbors came to see it and felt inspired to make their own hands crafts. Her little efforts become a wave of kindness, reminding everyone that joy can be made, not bought. And that's the lesson, my friend. Christmas is not found in the store, it's found in your heart, your hands, and your willingness to create joy for others. So the season pick up that jute rope, that old jar, or that pine cone and make something meaningful because the true craft of Christmas is love. Thank you for your amazing response. Thank you be a part of this journey. We are truly trying to bring for you amazing designs and amazing ideas for everyone who wants to create something beautiful and magical. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a very happy holiday, happy crafting ideas, good memories. May your Christmas fulfilled with craft, love, happiness, togetherness, and many more. Today, I want to share something beautiful design. I have shared some beautiful design for our viewers, for our subscriber. This Christmas, discover the true meaning of creativity and kindness through a heartwarming story. Watch as simple handmade crafts turn into symbols of hope, family, and the spirit of giving. A touching stories we have shared. True meaning of Christmas is giving, not buying, not expensive thing making. True meaning is giving something, peace, and true Happiness is what we create, not what we buy inexpensive.